Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on the YouTube application using your iPhone. So let's just go back to the home screen here and select the YouTube application, open it up. So if we go up to the top and we press the little search icon, you can see my entire search history on here. And I want to go ahead and delete this stuff. So let's go back. Then on the bottom of the application, you can see Home, Shorts, the plus icons, descriptions, and You. Tap You, the little profile picture. Then you can see where it says History. Go to where it says View All. Then you can see your history on here. Go to the top right and go to the three little dots. Select that. Then go to Manage All History. Then under here, we can go to where it says Saving Your YouTube History and select this. And it says include your search history, but we also want to go to where it says include voice and auto activity. So then we can just go to agree. So if we're using the voice commands on here, that will also be deleted. So we can go to turn off on the top right there so that doesn't get recorded in the future ever. Then we can go back over to history and we can delete the history under here as well. So we can press delete, then delete all time. So if you scroll through here, you're going to see what you search for and the videos you watched or any voice activation. And then we can go to delete all time. And then we can go to delete. And everything under here should be deleted now. So there's no activity under here, adding the search history. So let's go back now and go back to the main app and then just search for something. Hey. And that should be recorded on here now. So it's very easy to delete your search history and your watch history on the YouTube application using your iPhone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.